Okay guys, this is my AirForce Condor and my Benjamin Armada. We're going to do a sound test between the both of them to see the difference in loudness. I got this decibel meter on my phone. I'll shoot the Armada first and then the Condor. See that, we're at 106. Alright, we're going to reset that. This will be the Condor. $114.7. So you see there's quite a bit of difference in the two of those. And in person, it sounds like it's even louder. The Condor is even louder than the Benjamin Armada, especially indoors. So I hope this has helped. This has just been a sound comparison. Alright, later guys.